It's finally time. Let's open up these boxes. So I've had them sitting here for about a month now. I had a couple of trips. I went to Texas Woodworking Festival. I went camping and I got an influx of orders, and I always take care of my orders before anything else. But I'm finally in a good place. So let's get this Jet drum sander open. It's the 22-inch open-ended one, so that means you could potentially get a 44-inch wide piece of lumber through it, which is insane. I'm assuming this is the motor and the actual machine, and this is the stand. It says this is 84 pounds. I wonder if I can get it down myself. The thing about making content while you do this is, like, I would have someone else come here, but I am so uncomfortable filming around somebody else that I don't think I could pull off making a video for this as well. Okay, I think we got this. No prob. And my friend is moving and she wanted some boxes. So I wanted to keep this one nice for her. It's a good one. Oh, it's nice. And it already has the wheels on it. It looks like a giant toaster. But getting it on here, that is gonna be a challenge. Shoot. Looks like it has a little ding. So this is all that it was packaged in, but I'm not concerned about that. Even like my car, bumpers, that's what they're for. I'm not worried about the resale value here. Let's see if I can pop it out. No, forget that. And that's the back anyway. Look how pretty the front is. That, and opens. So looks like that's all gonna be extra storage. I should probably invest in a crowbar by now, but I've got some old ass chisels that'll do the job. It's looking pretty large and in charge right now. Oh my God. I might have to be brave and go ask one of my neighbors if they can help me lift this. Right, looks like it's in really good shape. I'm so excited to have that huge bed. I can fit all of my big boards in there now in one pass. For comparison, here is my other one. I've had this for about 5 years. I got it during the pandemic with my stimulus check, and that is what changed the game completely for me. So I've ran this thing down. I've pushed it so hard and I've never had problems with it. I've never even had to like adjust it or anything. It's never shut down on me, the motor. Why I chose to go with Jet again is because of how long it's lasted me, how reliant it's been, and it has the 120 volt plug instead of the 240, and I didn't want to deal with having to get another crazy outlet, have an electrician come here. So I don't know, the motor's powerful enough for me. Yeah, so that's why we are sticking with Jet for this one. And she is a beauty, Clark. Just for fun, let's see. I mean, I lifted it a little bit, but I don't think I can get it on there. Let me go ask a neighbor. Wish me luck.
You're ready, so I said get ready.
You good?
You're good. I'm good, Brandy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Primo.
Hey, we got a beautiful shop here.
Yeah, thanks. Just come by anytime. We did it. That was a big moment for me asking for help. But look how beautiful she is. Wow. So nice. And it's on wheels. I can just wheel it over there. So I have to think of how I'm going to organize this. I think this, we just have to find a new spot for this. And the other drum center's going to go next to it. We can use this hose to take it off depending on which drum sander we're going to use. Yeah, but I'm going to keep both. I'm going to keep the rough grit on the big boy, and then I'm going to keep a fine grit on this one. Also really nice, hardly any setup to be done. There's like a couple things in here, but I think we're good. Okay, we're gonna add this to the back. I'm not sure what it is. I'm assuming it's for the hose to rest on. Handle makes it go up and down, obviously. And now let's figure out how to attach the top. I see 6 washers here, so hopefully there's 6 holes. Okay. Yep. I see 6 holes that these can go into. I'm not the tiniest person, but I have an urge to see if I can fit in here. Oh my God. Okay, if any robbers come, this is where I am. And these knobs, I assume, are like for the brakes. Yeah, I think my assumption is correct here. Okay, I move the joiner for now. No idea where we're gonna put it, but let's move the drum sander over here. It's a bit taller than my other one, but I can raise the legs on the other one so that I can get the outfeed table level with both these. So I made these blocks first for the table, and then I'm gonna make some blocks. Oh. Flavor saver, blocks for the other drum sander. All right, look at that. That did not take nearly as long as I thought it would. Got the jets side by side. Still have plenty of room here. It makes it more of like tucked in thing when I'm working on my table saw. That's lower than that, so that works out. I raised the table and that other drum sander, made little blocks for them. So everything is flush. Yeah, looks good. And then for the dust collection, we can just take this, move it here when we're using the other one. I'll have to get another adapter thing. This is from Rockler, but easy peasy. Okay, and now it is plugged in, so let's start it up. Amazing. And you can change the speed of the feed table. That's the fastest. Here's the slowest setting. And this just turns the sandpaper on and off. What else could I need? All right. Over and out.